my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we were working with Luisa. Yes, they have sent me over some new pieces. If you guys are new to my channel and you're not familiar with Luisa, they are a fine jewelry company based out of New York City. They have affordable pieces that last forever. Really elegant, unique pieces you can find on their website. I've been working with them for, actually I feel like I've been working with them for almost a year, somewhere around there. But they have a lot of beautiful jewelry that I wear. Everything that I have on pretty much right now is from Luisa. So if you guys want to see all the pieces I got in this video, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this unboxing because I'm so excited to open this box. So here is the box. This is how it will look when it arrives to your house. Bigger, maybe smaller, depending on the amount of pieces that you get. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Super cute. It says, "You're looking so fine." And these are all the little packagings. I love this one. These ones are so freaking cute. These are like eco-friendly materials that they use for these. So freaking cute. And then they also have these adorable little boxes. I love it so much. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one because I just love the packaging so much. It has these little clamps, these little clip, I don't know, they're like magnetic buttons. I love these. So yes, let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh my gosh. So we have some little diamond studs. These are so freaking cute. You guys, they're so little itty bitty. I'm gonna put them in right now. I have my second hole pierced, so this will be so perfect. These are called Lena. These are called Lena, and they're little gold stud earrings. So freaking cute. I'm not sure what kind of stones they use for these. I don't know if they're moissanite diamonds or not. But if I find out, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen for you guys. They're so beautiful and precious. Mind you, these little baby hoops that I have are also from Luisa. Check the description box below. I have the link to that video in the description box. But these studs, excuse me, they're so freaking cute. Definitely keeping these in. And just so you guys know, this jewelry lasts for a very long time without having to take them out and put them back in. They have not tarnished on me. I've been wearing this top necklace right here 6 months or something. I've been wearing it to the shower. I do not take my jewelry off at all, and it still looks as good as the one that I just put on like a couple weeks ago. So highly recommend. I love a little stud on the second ear hole. I think that look is just so cute. I'm definitely keeping these in. This is so freaking adorable. Love it. Again, these ones are called Lena. I'm gonna open up this little box here. Okay, so the next one is this gorgeous ring. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. So this is called Amara, Mother of Pearl. I got this in a size 7. I don't know what finger this is about to fit on, but I just love this pearled background with the little star in the center. I just think it is so freaking pretty. Here's a little side view. Oh my God, it is absolutely stunning. Look at that. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It makes my little finger look so skinny and tiny. Oh, I'm sorry. I can drag it. I can drag it for so long. So let me just move on. All right, so the next one is in this box. Bracelet, and it matches the necklace that I already have. It's called like a herringbone, I believe. Absolutely stunning. But this one is so freaking cute. Let me try it on for you guys real quick. Took me a little bit of time. Whew. Okay, so here is the bracelet. I could have made it a little tighter on me, but I didn't. But here is the bracelet. It is so stunning. I just love jewelry. I'm just like a jewelry girl. This mother of pearl is how do I show this ring off? I don't know. It's so cute. But yes, this is the bracelet, you guys. You know, not too much. A little dainty. I like it. It's so freaking cute. And again, you can get the necklace as well. So the last one, it is a necklace and it has 3 beads on here. A gold one. This one looks like it has some stones on it, and then silver on a gold chain link. Beautiful. And this one is called Tyler. Let's get another close-up on this. I love this chain detail as well. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. The chain detail is really, really pretty. I like those links. This is super, super cute. Let's see how this looks. So how is the stack? I think it looks so cute with the necklaces that I already have on, but of course you could wear this by itself. Just as beautiful. Honestly, I don't wear silver at all, but I do like this little, I like the little silver touch, but I might take it off too. I don't know. If I do decide to wear it, I might take it off, but I think it looks really cute together. It's a really nice stack, still elegant, still soft, not overdone at all, still looks dainty and cute. But yes, this is so cute. What is this called again? This one's called Tyler, and it's really, really pretty. I love it. But with all that being said, I feel like it looks really, really good together. I'm loving these studs. These studs are so freaking precious. There's something about stud earrings that just will never get old and are timeless forever and forever and forever. Love them. The mother of pearl, Amara mother of pearl, you know I have felt in love, honey. Then we have our bracelet. What was this called again? Atlas on the wrist. So freaking cute. Matching my stack I have going on here. Hope you guys liked all these pieces. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have all the links to all of the pieces I showed you today in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also drop a comment, tell me what you guys think about this jewelry. I'm all decked out in Ana Luisa. This is my go-to brand for fine jewelry. Remember, everything on there is affordable. Also, what I forgot to mention is they do have real gold pieces on their website as well. All the pieces that I'm wearing today will last forever. They do not tarnish. I wear mine every day in the shower. I do not take them off, and they still look flawless. Flawless, okay? If you guys have any questions, put them in the description box below. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.